Exciting day for Service Express today as we announce the acquisition of Blue Chip. This is our fifth and largest acquisition and the first one internationally. Blue Chip is based just north of London in the UK, and we're excited to partner with them as they offer a managed service that we do not currently provide, and we can look to expand that throughout their marketplace, but also bring it over to the US to our current client base. And then we'll be able to help them expand their multi-vendor services to their clients there in the UK. I think this acquisition really formalizes the relationship that our two companies have had over the years. They've been our number one vendor for outsourcing in the UK, and they outsourced us here in the US as well. And so we've been working together. We know each other. We trust each other. We're aligned around shared values such as culture. They also believe in surrounding themselves with great talent and treating them very, very well, creating that great environment for their employees so they can do great work. And then their clients benefit from that because they're a best-in-class customer service. When we did our client calls, they raved about the service Blue Chip provides, how they stand by their word and they never slack on what they've promised. And you know, Service Express, we pride ourselves in that exact same thing. So this really is a natural fit for the two companies to come together. We're also really proud to carry on their founder, Brian Meredith's legacy, which is just that, surrounding themselves with great people, taking very good care of them, and creating great customer experiences. Brian, I had the pleasure of having dinner with him about 2 years ago when he came to the U.S. and he'd had a tour of Service Express, and we got to know each other over dinner here in Grand Rapids, and we hit it off immediately around those shared values. His legacy will live on through Blue Chip and Service Express now going forward together. We'll continue to execute on those core principles of people and taking great care of our clients. That's what unites us. And when Service Express looks to do an acquisition, those are the key things that we look for first and foremost. Are we aligned culturally around how we treat our people and also around how we treat our customers? When you have that alignment, you can figure everything else later and get stronger together. And that is what this does for Service Express. We've been waiting for the right moment, for the right partner to make that jump internationally, and we have found it in Blue Chip. So it's a great day for us. It's exciting for the companies to come together. Lots of excitement between the two companies, and we're ready to get off and running. So we look forward to a great future. Stronger together is a term we use a lot here at Service Express, and that is what this implies, stronger together. Blue Chip and Service Express, let's go.